Well, we finally got that rain come in. I figured I'd be able to follow up. I'm out here on the front porch, getting that thing heated up. About to throw some steaks on out here. Just sitting here listening to that sound. I know the flag's out in the rain. That one there is actually, used to get taken down. Accidentally got caught out one time when we weren't home. And ever since then, I just made sure that it's lit up. It's flashed 24/7 no matter what. Oh, well, like I said, it's sitting out here enjoying the sounds. Figured I kind of had to share with y'all. Well, since I'm also out here talking about sound and stuff, I mean, I said I was grilling. Yeah, out there is propane, Bobby. But I figured we just had to add this sound in there too. See if we can get it. Oh, gotta love that sound. Oh yeah, we'll catch you around.